This guy getting a Chinese. Woo. Yes, boy.
We're back again. Got it again. Right.
What do we have here?
Right, we got egg fried rice. There you go. Now, how far is the camera? Oh, that shit.
Oh, I'll do it, yeah.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Oh, that's your favourite, right?
Yeah. Oh, salt and pepper chicken. You can see.
Then we got special chow mein.
This one, what's this called?
Chicken balls.
Chicken balls.
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 We
And we've got
crispy shredded beef, I believe this one is. And then we got crispy shredded
chicken, is it?
chicken.
And
Right, there you
obviously the starter, you know.
Prawn cocktail. Prawn cocktails, not prawn cocktail. Prawn crackers.
cocktails, yeah. Straight to the coke. Got massive.
Coke first, isn't it? Oh.
We can start, man. We can start. Yeah, I'll pour the coke.
Right, I'm gonna get myself some rice. Smash that rice. Very good.
Try to, ooh, one box.
One box, one box. One box.
Pepper chicken.
This looks different.
Which one? That?
Yeah. Looks nice.
Is that like
Usually it's like a bit drier than that.
Is that your favourite?
Special chow
Is it
mein.
one of your favourites?
I like mixing it though, I like mixing noodles with it.
With rice?
Yeah. Try and crispy shredded thing. How's that?
Oh,
Been missing that.
it's been a while.
Try these on.
This is a chicken one.
I don't even know. Yeah, I think that's a chicken one.
It's boiling.
Yeah. Beef one in the dark.
What's this takeaway called? Is it Hong Kong City or something?
Hong Kong City.
Right. Show them how to like mix that in it.
Which one?
That.
Oh,
Just
with the
pour the
sauce? Yeah, you just pour sauce.
Yeah. Do it a bit.
That's it. First bite. What's great.
You've been waiting for this moment, isn't it?
Yep.
We've got.
That's beautiful.
We're slurping it, man. That was the noodles, yeah.
I prefer a Chinese takeaway over Indian takeaway. I think I prefer Chinese takeaway over Chinese restaurant. What do you think?
That depends. I think this is to cater taste buds of the British people. So if you go to a Chinese restaurant, you get like the authentic food, I think. Or it just depends where you go, to be honest. Well, this is some good shit though.
Beautiful. Need to slow down. So really taste it.
I think last time I had this, I was drunk. So I wasn't able to, you know, absorb, appreciate it. But it was still nice at that time though. You know, when you were like,
Yeah.
been drinking, you just want to get something to eat.
It's always nice after a night out.
I think it's been a while since I've been out. Adult life. Right, shall we try this? It's chicken balls. Chicken balls. Oh, with some, what's this? Is this sweet and sour sauce? So you can see. Oh.
So nice. Sausage sauce.
Getting there.
That Chinese girl there.
Don't know her name, but I've seen her before.
That night when James went. That's good.
What did she say? She's like, yeah.
He just stood there, asked her if you know where to play with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's awkward then.
We dared him though. Bit spicy this. Salt and pepper chicken here.
Oh.
The one in mine is a bit, I think, crispier.
Yeah.
Good price and firm.
How much is it?
Yeah, same price.
Tell me.
You know what? Every takeaway's got their own different flavours.
When me get the Chinese takeaways, usually we spend 20 quid, 25 quid. Both.
Both? What? Separate?
Yeah, combine it.
Oh, combined. I was gonna say like 50 quid worth.
This cost us just like, is it 37 quid this cost us?
Yeah.
Definitely plenty.
For sure. Yeah. Hold on to me. Hey, have you ever? Miss karaoke, man. Next month. You know, man. Karaoke sesh.
End of March.
Probably around that. Or April, we'll see. You can't do it in May anymore, innit? That's it. Retired now. So weak nowadays, man. I can't finish it.
In full.
Yeah, I think it's probably this.
Alright with rice, me.
You need to get more rice.
I
think I'm still alright. It's not as bad as last time.
No.
The Costco's really carb loaded. Pizza, chicken bake, and the hot dogs just full on carbs.
I think because we're used to rice as well.
It's rice thin on the pizza.
It's an Asian thing.
I'll have a bit of rice then.
Yeah.
Do a shout out, man.
Oh, shout out to
Brad. Yeah.
Shout out to our fans.
Yeah.
Your little brother.
Shout out to Brad.
Just with. Just with.
Oh, Jasmine watches this.
Yeah.
Yo, Justin Miano, happy birthday by the way.
How old is he?
5 years old. Leap year, innit? He's 29 today. Yeah.
Yep.
He's 5 years old.
That's nuts, that. He was born in leap year. Wow.
He's basically like 20, 21.
So does he celebrate his birthday on 28th then?
Probably. Oh, yeah.
That's nuts.
I think we're doing well, it's not that bad. Well, it's not about finishing it anyways, but
This is my definite limit now. Don't stop partying now.
earlier,
Mm.
a lot of food. That's why I'm a bit full now. They had lechon, chicken.
Is that fish or chicken?
They had a battered fish, then they had fried chicken, spaghetti. They had a bit like, I don't know, Filipino pork.
Mm.
That's it, I think. Beef steak. Cheesecake though, it's nice. It's been a while since I've had cheesecake. How's the KFC man? Popcorn.
What's that?
How much is it?
$5.99 I think.
Did you finish
Pretty much
it?
6 quid. Yeah, me and Hannah ate it.
Oh, I thought it was
Yeah,
it.
it's quite big.
I thought you finished it all.
Nah.
Could you finish it by yourself though?
I could, but I think I'll be full.
How many? 70?
80.
Hmm?
80 pieces.
How will they count it?
I think they just got like
Yeah.
a jar or a container.
Who knows? Could be 60. Like the beef actually. Have you had like beef in black bean sauce?
Yeah,
Quite alright then.
it's nice, but
I'm not a big fan of sweet and sour chicken though. It's just like pretty common. Chicken balls is different, isn't it?
yeah, every time we order, it's the safest we always choose.
Same as mine as well. That. And black bean sauce.
Beef or
No, it's got all sorts of meat. Pork,
Wow.
chicken, beef, and prawn or shrimp. Yeah, prawn. Quite nice. Are you done?
yeah, I'm done. Finito. If you have to choose between Indian and Chinese, which one?
That really depends on my mood to be fair.
No, I mean like you have to drop one, so you can't eat that food there, no.
Probably I'll choose Chinese when I could eat Chinese every day.
Yeah.
No, Indian food is actually good though. Well, Chinese every day.
Yeah, cool.
I probably eat more Chinese food than Filipino food. Since living here. Finish it. Like that.
been good.